If you're considering DoorLoop for your property management needs, there are a few key things you need to know before making your decision. DoorLoop is a solid choice, but it's important to weigh it against other options to make sure it's the right fit for you. Here are the 12 things you should know before buying. First things first, DoorLoop is known for its user-friendly interface, which is great for property managers who don't have a lot of time to waste. Compared to other real estate property management software, it offers an intuitive design with easy navigation. But it's important to note that some competitors, like Buildium or Appfolio, offer slightly more polished interfaces with more advanced customization options. The second thing is that DoorLoop offers both desktop and mobile access. It's really convenient for property managers who are always on the go. However, while the mobile app works well, it might not be as feature-rich as some other software, like Rentec Direct, which is known for its powerful mobile experience. The third thing to consider is the pricing structure. DoorLoop's pricing is relatively affordable, starting at $49 per month for its basic plan, which includes many of the essential features. However, if you're managing a large portfolio, you may find that some competitors, like Propertyware, offer more value at higher price points, especially for scalability. Next thing, DoorLoop integrates well with many popular accounting tools, which is a big plus. But if you're looking for advanced accounting features, software like Yardi may provide more robust financial management tools that might suit larger operations better. The fifth thing you need to know is about customer support. DoorLoop offers 24/7 support, which is great if you're managing properties at all hours. Some users, however, have reported slower response times during peak hours. Competitors like Appfolio have been praised for their consistently responsive support. The sixth thing is automation. DoorLoop offers automatic payment reminders, late fee calculations, and more, which streamlines processes. But if you need more advanced automation, platforms like Rentec Direct or Buildium offer deeper automation for tasks like tenant onboarding and maintenance request management. The seventh thing to note is that DoorLoop provides built-in marketing tools which allow property managers to advertise vacant units. While this is a convenient feature, other platforms like Appfolio offer more extensive marketing integrations and syndication options to reach a wider audience. The eighth thing is reporting and analytics. DoorLoop does offer basic reporting features, but if you require more granular, customizable reports, you might find other options, such as Rentec Direct, to be more comprehensive and flexible for in-depth analysis. Next thing, DoorLoop's ease of use is one of its top selling points, but if you manage complex properties or need more advanced functionality, you may feel a little restricted compared to something like Yardi Voyager, which caters to large, enterprise-level property managers. The 10th thing is DoorLoop's tenant portal. Tenants can pay rent, request maintenance, and communicate directly with you, which is convenient. However, if you want more customization options for your tenant portal, platforms like Buildium provide a more personalized experience. The 11th thing is its security features. DoorLoop uses encryption and secure payment processing, which is essential for any property management system. Still, if you're managing sensitive data and need enhanced security, you might want to explore systems like Yardi or Appfolio, which are known for their top-tier security measures. And the final thing to consider is scalability. DoorLoop is a great choice for small to medium-sized property management companies. But as your business grows, you might need more advanced features and scalability options. Larger platforms like Propertyware and Appfolio are better equipped to handle massive portfolios with more properties and tenants. So, is DoorLoop a good option? Absolutely. It's user-friendly, affordable, and covers many of the basics you need for property management. But if you're managing a larger portfolio or need more advanced features, you might want to check out our recommended solution that you can try for free. It's a great alternative that might suit your needs even better.